Hey fellow moto travelers, some love them, some hate them, and I use one. A tank bag. What do I carry in it and why? Find out right now on MotoTravelUSA. This right here is a travel-tested Joe Rocket Manta XL. It's discolored, well-worn, but still serves its purpose well, so it's used quite often. Here's what I carry in it. Starting in this upper pocket, I keep microfiber rags and a spray bottle with just water to clean bugs off my visor, which is usually quite often. I've found water is the best because cleaning solutions sometimes interfere with anti-fog coatings and transitions visors. In this large front pocket, I keep the bike's paperwork, a kickstand puck with string, spare cash and change for those surprise tolls in the middle of nowhere, a Swiss Army knife for quick repairs, and spare keys just in case. In the main compartment, there's a hat to camouflage that helmet hair, sunglasses, sanitizing gel, gum, a spare battery and USB cable to charge the Sena 20S at stops, a tire pressure gauge, and earplugs. Depending on how long a particular ride is, I'll sometimes put a water bottle and a snack in there as well. While tank bags might not be the most attractive thing on the bike, and some might confuse it for a Murse while walking around, it's still quite functional. I get it, it's not for everybody. So why do I use a tank bag and choose function over looks? Well, as you can see, it holds many of the basics you might need on a ride. It also provides quick access for those things, and you don't have to overstuff your jacket pockets. Also, when it stops, it provides a great way to stow things that aren't locked to your bike like a GPS or radar detector so they don't get stolen. While not the most attractive thing, it's super functional, and that's why I choose to use. I hope that gave you some ideas for your travels, and want to thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment or ask questions below, and please share with others if you think it might help them. Thanks for joining us this time on MotoTravelUSA. Well, let's go explore.